Hey guys, Space Age here. Today, back with running with rifles. As you can see, we are still taking over the brown base. Quite fast actually. They don't stand a chance. Okay, nonetheless, we still have to be careful because they can still shoot us. As you can see, there's quite a few of them here around the corner. Try and take them out. Yeah, dead. Okay, reload. Okay, they taken out. Okay, he's taken out. And we are capturing the base. Good. He's out. He's out. And I think, yep, there you go. We won the battle. Good. Good. Okay, so now we go on to the next battle. Let's just check if there's anyone still in the base hiding around. Anyone? Any of the brown ones? No, they seem to be all dead. Okay, let's see. Need to find a vehicle. Where's the nearest vehicle? There is one just here. There we go. Oh, here's one. There you go. Game saved. Cool. Here's the truck. Let's go this one. This one's already out of the base waiting for me. Now let's get in the driver's seat. And get a move on. Okay, wait. Which way do we want to go? Old Fort Creek? Okay, never mind. There's both Old Fort Creek. So let's go. On our way to Old Fort Creek. And let's see. I'm saved again. Oh, look at this truck. Look at this road. Oh my god. They need better roads up north. Okay, let's go. Old Fort Creek. Let's see what awaits us at Old Fort Creek. Stand by for extraction. Held by grey collars, grey people. Our forces are struggling. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I'm surrounded. Okay, I lied. There's just two of them. Attention, incoming commander briefing. Oh, wait. The preparation platoon arrived earlier today. Okay, we have to capture Old Fort Creek completely. So let's see, what are we taking over first? Midtown. Oh my goodness. Just try and shoot these people here. Reload. Reload. I see you. I can't actually shoot you. Oh, I got grenaded. Okay. Let's actually make our way towards where we're supposed to go. The red bit on the screen. Okay, I can't actually shoot anyone. Okay, there we go. There we go. And you. There we go. Ah, I ranked up. Let's see if I can grenade him. Nope. got it. Okay, my reinforcements has arrived. Good. See an armory nearby. Up here, somewhere there should be one. Oh, I died. Oh wow. Okay. Let's go. Let's see if I can find this armory. So what is a stash? So just a stash. Okay. Let's see what else is here. Were you supposed to taking... Oh, okay. You're taking over the shopping mall now. Okay. Oh, too many grey collars. See, shooting. Oh, what did I press? What did I press? Okay, reload and let's go. So I think we've got shopping mall. Target north end approaching from the west. North end's over there. Okay. But battle erupted near Midtown. I think they might need my help. So let's go. Stay alert. Will do. Midtown is now controlled. Oh dear. Can't let this happen. Not after we just taken it over. Oh, that's why they've taken it over. Oh, oh my god, a grenade! Oh, okay. Well guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. We won our first battle. Start the next. And I'm making our way through Old Fort Creek. Okay. See you guys next time. Goodbye.